What up, guys? It's Aprilia, and today a bit of a time-sensitive video. So there's this website where you can currently generate free Seedance videos, no strings attached. This is probably going to get patched in, and they're going to be stopping giving free credits to the new users. So use it while it actually lasts, okay? And I'm going to be showing you the whole process, which is extremely simple, by the way. So this is dola.com. And you're just going to be logging in. You're going to be choosing your Google account. I'm going to be using completely a new account to basically log in. I will have whole prompt ready here, and it basically currently allegedly gives you, and you need to basically add a birth date here. So as I was saying, basically it gives you 10 seconds, okay, per account, and it says that it does have 2.5 available here. You paste in the prompt, and then it just basically starts doing it. It might ask you an actual other question, and now it's just to starts generating it, and it will do it in within 5 minutes, okay? And you get basically 4 points, and I believe it might give you more points as more time goes on, or something like that. And just to prove you this is not fake, I'm gonna log in with my other account here, where I generated another video. So here's my go in with my Facebook, and we go into the character environment chat where I generated one video. Here is the actual video, and it's actually not like showing. And this is not like, it's not like scamming guys or anything like that. You can actually save it, so you download it here, okay? And so you can actually download it. So here is the actual video. This is what it looks like. It has sound and everything, but I'm not sure, is this 2.5 okay? It could be 2.0, it could be 2. Fast. I haven't done enough testing. Here's another one that I did, an anime footage. This actually looks a lot more closer to 2.5. It does have a watermark, but you can actually remove that watermark with different types of tools, of course. There's many of those tools available in CapCut and other types of places. So let me actually log out now from this account, and let's go back into where we just generated other video. Let me log in, going back to Google, choosing the account that I just used. You can either choose to do 10 seconds or 15 seconds. There's a create a video tab. So here you can see 2.5, Dreaming a Seedance 2.0 fast, Dreaming at 1.0, or 5 and 10 seconds. And you can also choose the aspect ratio. And this probably will get patched out, guys. At some point, there's been some people that have been talking about, oh, there's like you need a VPN. I did not use any VPNs, but I'm gonna leave a VPN link down below in case you're gonna be having some problems. Some people have stated that you need a Chinese VPN. I don't think that seems to be necessary. Now I'm gonna cut this video until we're gonna be getting into 5 minutes and the actual video has prompted out. Okay, now the videos have actually finished. There was some type of problem with the prompt, which is totally ridiculous, but I basically just, okay, create ninjas instead of samurais. And here are the two prompts. I don't think this is actually Seedance. This could be Grok or something. And I'm just going to show you, obviously, something's wrong with the player, so I'm going to save it. Okay, here it is. This is the name. Saving it. Here, pop up. Then opening it up. And this one doesn't have audio, so this has to be some weird old ass model that it sometimes gives. But it only charged me 1 credit. The other videos charge all the 4 credits that I had it gave me. Here's another video, and saving it once again, opening it, and this has to be Seedance 2.0 or 2.5. I'm not 100% sure which one this is. Could be 2.0 fast as well. I can't really tell, guys. It's really hard for me to say. I think the motion and everything is 2.5 or 2.0 fast, but it's a very short video, so it's kind of hard to tell personally. But that's basically it, and you can add image references also into the thing. It doesn't seem to be following them super closely, and I think this will be patched in. And if there is some type of problem with the actual IP, I added out a VPN service, which is very cheap. You can use. That's what I have to share with you guys. Hopefully, if you have any questions or whatever, ask them. I will answer the best of my ability. And this probably will be, very short lived. Now is a good time to get videos for free for your projects instead of paying. Don't sleep on this opportunity. These don't come every day. Just saying, okay? And I have compiled another list of other free services that give you free credits. They're not as good as this deal, but I'm going to also leave that in the link down below. And we also have a Discord channel where you can come to network on AI stuff and, all types of good stuff regarding Seedance and videos. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing you guys in the next video.